Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make live goes on trending reels on Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icons so that I will be motivated and bring up more entertaining videos every day. So what you need to do, first of all, make sure that to update your Instagram from Google Play Store or App Store, and then let me just open my official Instagram account. And here let me just show you what you have to do here. Here you have to just click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, click on the plus icon, and then you can go to reels or stories. So let me just go for reels. And then here, if you don't have the music, then first of all just go back, go to search bar, and then here you have to just so click on search, and you can see here account and audio. Just go to account and audio. You have to go to audio and you have to type live goes on. Okay, here you can see at the top here, this is the so now here you just need to click on use audio, and then after that this type of interface will pop up. So you just need to press and hold the reels option here. As you can see here, I'm just recording the reels. I'm just muting the audio because of the copyright issue. Now you have to click on the sticker bar here on the top. You can see, just click here and you have to click on GIF. Simply tap on GIF and type C, and here you can see the top one. Simply tap this and zoom it, okay, like this. Zoom it, and then here now again you have to click on sticker, and then here you have to search for duck, DUCK. You can see here, this is the one. So this is how you can do that. Thanks for watching.